September 11th. Finally, some agreeable, comfortable weather. It's taken all summer, too hot, too humid. Now it's beautiful, sunny, the humidity's gone. Sunny, beautiful. Tiny Bubbles is gone. Off to the state fair. We have one pumpkin left. Tinier Bubbles. And the powdery mildew has set in. So here you go, here's Tinier Bubbles. Gonna go to Kentucky, hopefully she stays solid. I'm taking her early because I just don't trust it to make it to Operation Pumpkin. Sorry guys, just seems like a long time away. And got a little bit of issue here. Yeah, she's okay, she's solid, but I don't know, another month some of this funky spots might actually start to go. So we're gonna see what she weighs in Kentucky. Please join us. All right, Tinier Bubbles number 2 coming soon. Keep them growing, guys. And your powdery mildew, use your Cal Mag and your Mark Specialty Stifle powdery mildew with calcium uptake. It'll slow it down. You can try to drown it. It's getting kind of late. If you've already used the chemicals and such, and some of you don't want to use them, just try the calcium uptake approach. All right, man, we'll talk to you soon. Keep them growing. Post any questions below.